5 benefits of a custom keto diet for rapid weight loss. The keto diet is known to be very effective for weight and fat loss. That focuses on adapting the correct macronutrients that help the body enter a state of ketosis, to burn fat reserves as a primary source of energy for day-to-day activities. Although the keto diet is a popular diet, many people find it difficult to create a diet plan on their own, because they do not calculate their micro and macro calories correctly. How do you know how much carbohydrates, protein, and fats to add and reduce, based on your body measurement and activity levels? It is also important to realize the macronutrients required from every individual are different. And following a generic meal plan suggested by a crowd restricts optimizing your keto diet progress, resulting in constant trials and errors. A custom keto diet is a guide personalized for an individual's age, body height and weight, target goals, activity levels, and food preferences. Using the present status, a meal plan is customized and tailor-made for every individual's unique needs and dietary preferences, ensuring you achieve optimal progress while having an enjoyable meal plan. Make sure to watch till the end to find out all 5 benefits of a custom keto diet for rapid weight loss. That helps you practice your keto lifestyle free from any confusion delaying your diet progress. 1. Following a custom keto diet ensures you consume sufficient calories to keep your body in ketosis for as long as possible. For you to experience weight and fat loss during a keto diet, the goal is to get your body into a metabolic state called ketosis. Ketosis is a metabolic state in which your body is using fat instead of carbohydrates for its energy source. This can be achieved by adjusting your macronutrient intake with the keto diet. That focuses on consuming low carbohydrates, moderate protein, and high fat meals. Following a custom keto diet meal plan provides professional guidance to help calculate and keeping you accountable for consuming the required ratios between carbohydrates, protein, and fats to enable your body to enter ketosis. Consuming the correct calories and macronutrients play an important role to make or break of your keto diet success. Without following a custom meal plan, there could be scenarios where you are not eating enough fat, or eating too many carbs or protein without you realizing. For example, there can be many hidden carbs found across the foods and beverages you consume without being aware, such as seasonings, condiments, processed meats, and starchy vegetables. Consuming a few extra carbs across meals can quickly add up that may prevent your body from entering ketosis. Therefore, following a custom keto diet plan would already include accurate recipes for your meals that have been professionally calculated, which will keep you accountable for making sure you are aware of any hidden macronutrients you might not realize. 2. Following a custom keto diet allows you to enjoy your meals based on your food preferences. To maintain a long-term keto diet lifestyle, following a diet with limited choices of foods that you enjoy is a major factor many people are put off from starting the diet or give up too soon in order to maximize the full benefits of a diet. Not being able to enjoy your meals also increases the urge to binge eating or unhealthy foods, which will disrupt the progress of the diet. Although the keto diet is a high-fat diet that includes many food choices, another reason why many people still fail to continue the diet is because many tend to follow a generic keto diet meal plan suggested by a crowd. That could work for some people, but not for everyone, as every individual has different food preferences. A custom keto diet guides you through your diet progress, with foods you can eat and avoid. It is not about eating less, but sticking to healthier alternatives in your diet, with a wide variety of recipes and meal options that are professionally researched, so you can tailor them to your personal food preference. This makes your diet more enjoyable and maximizes the likelihood of sticking to the keto diet. To experience weight and fat loss, and other health benefits a keto diet has to offer. 3. Following a custom keto diet tailors your diet to your body measurements and goals, without trial and error. It is important to realize when on the keto diet, the ketosis process in the body of every individual behaves differently based on multiple factors, such as food preferences, daily activity levels, height, weight, and target weight goals. Therefore, the macronutrients required from every individual are different. For example, some people may follow a keto diet with goals to only achieve weight and fat loss, which requires much lower carb allowance and high fat intake. while some others have an active lifestyle with main goals to build or retain muscles, and reap the other amazing health benefits the keto diet has to offer. Which a higher protein intake should be adjusted towards the ratio of total daily macronutrients. Therefore, instead of following a one-size-fits-all approach on macronutrient intake, and meal plans suggested by a crowd on what to eat for a keto diet, having a professional keto diet custom meal plan that is tailored to your body measurements and goals will guide your meal plans with the correct calories and macronutrients to maximize the progress of achieving benefits of the diet that aligns with your goals. As a result, no time is wasted on constant trial and error, delaying your diet progress. 4. Following a custom keto diet takes the stress out of meal planning. Having stress coming from different directions is a part of life, and enjoying meals are a comforting and relaxing time for many people. However, planning out daily on how to prepare meals, while being strict on your macronutrients, can be overwhelming and stressful. You have to understand what kind of foods you should or should not include in your diet. You cannot simply discard foods because you see fit, as every meal contributes to the make or break of your keto diet success. As a result, not having professional guidance for meal planning can increase high levels of stress that can trigger different negative mental, physical, and emotional impacts on your body, resulting to affect negatively on your keto diet progress. Following a custom keto diet meal plan provides a hassle-free approach to alleviate this problem, with correct recipes and detailed directions on how to prepare such meals, which benefits those with no chef experience or someone who is starting out the keto diet. If you have any dietary restrictions such as dairy, gluten, or caffeine, then a custom keto diet is also great to tailor individual meal plans towards your requirements. 5. Following a custom keto diet helps you stay on track and overcome barriers. The problem with many different diet methods is that some are not practical for every individual's lifestyle. Some methods would practice the keto diet with drastic measures that you may not be ready to adapt based on your lifestyle. Following a professional custom keto diet that is based on your body measurements and lifestyle guides you with the knowledge and support to bring consistency in your keto diet progress to ensure the sustainability of the diet. Significant alterations to your diet changes do not necessarily lead to quicker results. While having a determined and disciplined mindset when starting keto diet is great, your body requires some time to adapt to the diet changes. If you came from a regular diet such as eating bread for breakfast, sandwiches for lunch and pasta for dinner, the key is to reduce your carb intake gradually. A significant change in your diet will more likely wreak havoc on your body instead, as your body needs time to build up a lower carb tolerance. Not only is this harmful for your body, but likely discouraging you to stick to the keto diet. Although your body will not get into ketosis straight away, you will gradually develop a lower carb tolerance. Taking baby steps to reduce your carb intake is therefore very important to sustain the keto diet over time, to reap the health benefits effectively. We hope this video provides you an understanding of the many benefits a custom keto diet provides to maximize your keto success. Selecting the right custom keto diet program is important. Make sure you consider a professional custom keto diet that will tailor your meal plans based on your individual body measurements, target goals, activity levels, and food preferences. This will ensure that you enjoy the keto lifestyle to maximize the likelihood of sticking to the diet, to experience the positive weight and fat loss and other health benefits the keto diet has to offer. If you would like to get started on a professional custom keto diet, find out more information in the description below. How are you doing on your journey with your keto diet? Share with us in the comments section. If you enjoy this video, hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this. And turn on the notification bell icon so you don't miss any new videos.